It's here, guys. The long-awaited, long-anticipated, brand spanking new Traxxas E-Revo. First delivery for display demonstration only. I guess that means I can't run it or sell it, or I can run it but not sell it. Oh well. Yeah, that's kind of too late. But anyway, so let's open this puppy. I didn't cheat you. I haven't opened it. It came this way, loose in the box. So I guess they didn't even have time to tape them. So the guy that's getting this one, don't mind how I'm treating it. Alrighty. It's a Revo. No surprise. No surprise. Am I in focus? I hope so, guys. So I stand. Alright, so here we got. Oh, we do have some changes. Yeah, alright. Right off the bat, guys. At least I know a little bit about this vehicle, so I'll try not to miss too much. We got the flip top body here, just like on the X-Max. Alrighty. Got the reinforcement on the body, just like the X-Max. So I guess you need it for this latch system. Nice graphics. I'll get very nice graphics. Looks pretty good. Yeah, they're coming out with everything now. I'm getting all kinds of emails from Traxxas about the new body styles. They haven't seemed to change too much on the other cars, I don't think, but maybe they will. Yeah, I still got a little bit of a bug up my butt about it, all this stuff, don't I? Yeah, you can tell. Anyway, so let's see what we got here. Possibly an upgraded ESC, not sure. Looks like the same motor. Same battery compartments, same front end. Maybe a little bit different style wheel. Kind of looks the same. Everything's the same underneath. The wing's the same. I guess it was the body latch. All right, yeah, that was worth waiting for. Awesome. All right, man. They're never going to ship me any of these things if they see this video, are they? Oh, well, I'll just sell more armors. I don't care. Hey, whatever. Whatever it takes, dude. All right. I got, everything looks the same to me. I'm sorry. It's the same truck. I don't see anything updated on here. Possibly maybe the servos have more torque. Let's go to the box. Because no, I did not read the box. You know I don't do that. Self-riding, okay. We got the same cantilever suspension. We all know about that. Hey, I'll show you something. You want to see something? I got to get it out of my cabinet. No, I'm coming. I'm trying not to tear it. Oh, yeah. Here you go. All right. So that's me when I was about 100 pounds lighter. Can you see that? That's a hired hand. That's Jerry Grandoff. He was my engineer. And this is Donnie Adams. Yeah, we won a lot of races with these midgets. And you know what's in the front here? That's a cantilever. Yeah, we designed that back in 1990. Put it out around 1992. Super modifieds. Everybody's been copying that for years. Never sued nobody. I'm just saying. 1992, guys. Anyway, let's go back to the Revo. I'm sorry, I just don't see anything. I don't know what the wait was all about. I'm reading here. Rockers, push rods, multiply, zip up, up. It's possible that this has a metal servo in it because the ends are shown in the picture here are black. Maybe that's about it. And the battery and charger obviously are not. Well, I don't know. It does 70, so they must have geared it up a little bit differently. But everything does 70 these today, you know? I don't know. Let's go grab another vehicle that has something similar. Let's take a look at that one. I got a used one here. Okay. This, as you know, is an Arma. This one happens to be in for some repairs, but actually I bought this one. I don't know. They look about the same, right? Am I going somewhere with this? Probably not. This is a lot lighter. I got to give them that. So, oh, I did notice something. Jesus, how about that? I threw the Arma away. They got steel axles in here now, man. I just saw that. Ah. All right, so you did get an upgrade. You got steel axles, possibly a better speed control, probably the same motor. We got a clip top, and what did I say? Possibly a new servos, possibly steel servos. I don't know, but I think that is it though. All right, so those are all the new improvements on the new Revo. When am I getting them? Well, probably after they see this video, probably never, but this one goes out soon because I have to show it to everybody first. And then I was told, I think I get one a week for the next 8 weeks or something like that. So when they're here, check on the website. I'm sorry that I tried to I put them up on the website as a pre-sale because I was under the impression I was getting 4 of them 4 weeks ago, or 2 weeks ago, and then I only got one. And this is that one. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Sorry. That's the new E-Revo. Was it worth waiting for all this? In my book, not really. It's a great truck. It's a great vehicle. You could kick the crap out of it. But I doubt that it was worth going through all this stuff here. So that's it, guys. I'm out. See you later. Oh, make your comments. Try not to make any stupid comments. And share it, subscribe, do whatever you can, okay? And let's keep our hobby going, man. Alrighty? Oh, yeah, I just did notice something. I think they got bigger bearings on the inside, too, now. I just spotted that with my eye, but anyway, that's it. I'm gone. I got to go home. I got to go fill out loan applications for a bigger building. Yeah, that's right. I'm trying to expand. I can't get cars, but I'm trying to expand. Does that make any sense? Not to me. None. See ya. Bye.